Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to delivery day of a new kind. Let me introduce you to Eric with Cold Jet. And that's right, today we're taking delivery of the new dry ice blasting system for the blasting lab. That's right, this is the lab and the finishing lab's here. We've got the car lift. You guys saw that little video. Nobody was really impressed with the car lift, but we do have the RS50 here today, which we're going to be doing some blasting on. We have Bogna's saddle. We're going to be blasting that. We're going to be doing some stuff on the car. I'm excited. I'm excited to kind of get this thing rolling. It's been kind of a month and a half, almost 2 months in the make. Yeah. Kind of quick, actually.
Yeah, quick turnaround.
It's kind of quick, but at the same time, I'm like, I want everything tomorrow. So, so this video is just going to be, we're just going to be walking through and seeing what this Cold Jet machine can actually do. So this is the actual dry ice machine. And we are currently running the wet blasting machine and the air compressor on this today because, well, the air compressor that's going to be permanent is not yet here, but we've got a cooler in addition. So just kind of showing you guys everything we've got in this. And we have 500 pounds of dry ice. And this dry ice, if you guys can see, it's called rice dry ice. So what it is that this is going to cut the particles of that dry ice 3 millimeters down to 0.3 millimeters. Is that correct?
Correct.
So quite versatile, very, very, I mean, we're going to be able to like, almost, can you use it on your skin? Like,
I wouldn't use it on your skin.
All right, don't use it on your skin.
skin.
But I mean, it's almost that gentle, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we can, so we're gonna start with like a motherboard of one of the pieces of equipment, which is gonna be able to do.
Definitely.
And then we're gonna be able to crank that thing up and like sand down a piece of wood, right?
Yeah, definitely.
So enjoy some time lapse of us playing around, and I'll grab this thing and bring you guys along, but welcome to the blasting lab. All right, so we've put our paces through. We've messed with the saddle. We've messed with some finishing stuff. But now we are finally to what you guys want to see. And that's right. I don't know. It might be the first time ever we've ever seen a motorcycle being dry ice blasted. Now the compressor's here, but the idea is there. That's our culprit. That's the issue that we're dealing with, is all this two-stroke oil and in that frame. So when I originally took this bike apart, this was one of the biggest things that I said, how in the heck am I gonna clean that off? So Eric, you ready?
Let's do it.
All right, so let's start
with this frame section.
All right. So see, he's going right over all the wires because dry ice is safe on rubber and some of the plastic. So you can see he's kind of blasting right past the wires and everything. But he's able to get, I mean, anything you can almost see, it can blast. So let's get the top of the head right in the middle. Let's get that top right there. Oh my God. I am just beyond myself right now because it's just cutting through that whole area like butter. And the stuff is just coming right off. And that carburetor now looks like it's brand new. So I'm almost in disbelief. Sorry, we're zoomed in right now, but I'm almost in disbelief. I just can't wait. So we're just doing sample stuff today. We're just like, I mean, I brought so much stuff for Eric. Here, hold on. I got on slow zoom, that's why. I brought so much stuff for Eric. I mean, well, I want to test. Have you ever done a motorcycle?
No, no motorcycle.
Never done a motorcycle. Have you ever done a saddle?
We have not done a saddle.
No saddle. You've never done an edger.
No, we haven't done an edger.
How about graffiti?
Graffiti's a tough one. A lot of times it's on concrete, so it soaks in, doesn't do well.
Okay.
Stainless, maybe some metal surfaces, we can get most of it off.
I graffitied a sign. So we're just gonna keep going, but the motorcycle is just, I'm ecstatic. I'm like, I can't wait to get in there. So this is the small kind of intricate tool that we're using right now. And then we're gonna get some big work done on the Corvair here in a minute, but we've got the small tool out. So I don't know, let's do a little bit more on the bike. I'm excited. And do you mind if I try it? Let's see what we can do. So all that spot in there. So you guys know this, the issue we have right here is this is all that gear oil or the chain lube, and it's so hard to clean. You can see it's taken a minute to get it cleaned off. But I mean, with this we could probably actually even turn it up a teeny bit, right? Yeah, we could. But this is like... All right, you guys, well, that's just a little bit of a sample of the dry ice blasting. I know we were kind of all over the place, but I really wanted to put this thing to the test and see what I can do with this thing because, you know, there's car detailers that use it solely for the cars. There's people that use it solely for industrial. One of the main reasons is my refurbishments of edgers are going to the next level. But you know, this RS50, it was a big project of mine. I'm ecstatic. I'm a very kind of OCD cleaner. I really, really love the cleanliness of things. If you look at underneath of the Super Beat, it's like you could eat off the thing. So I'm in love with it. I mean, yes, it's a lot of money, so I've got to make it work for me, and I've got to be able to portray that to customers as, you know, this is the value of it. But honestly, I mean, it's cleaning stuff like you just really don't imagine. It's just you think, how am I gonna clean that RS50, and just like that. So stay tuned, head over to the Blasting Labs Facebook page, Instagram page, and head over to the YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to get some before and after videos and during over there. So I don't know, thank you guys for sticking around. I know it's not the normal motorcycle stuff, but stay tuned because we just got off the phone with Ducati North America. We've got some amazing stuff coming, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then head over and check out the Blasting Lab. But thank you guys for sticking around, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.